Hello and welcome. This video walks you step by step through completing Form 842, application for an Offshore Humanitarian Class XB visa, using the official form you provided. Whether you're completing the form for yourself or helping a family member, this guide highlights the form's structure, the precise information you'll need, and practical tips to make your application as complete and persuasive as possible. Please follow the official form closely and attach every requested document. Opening overview. Start by reading the very first page of the application carefully. The form's purpose is to collect accurate personal, identity, family, health and character information needed to assess humanitarian or refugee class visa claims submitted from outside the country. The form requires truthfulness, complete answers, and certified supporting evidence for all statements that affect eligibility. Section: Applicant Identity and Contact Details. In the opening sections, you must enter the applicant's full legal name exactly as it appears on identity documents, including any previous names, aliases, or maiden names. Provide the date of birth, place of birth, gender, and current nationality. Include all contact details you have now, a reliable email, international phone number, and the full postal address where you can receive correspondence. If you use an agent or representative, list their details precisely and attach a signed consent or authority form if required. Section: Passport and Identity Documents. List every passport and travel document you hold or previously held. For each, include the issuing country, passport number, date of issue, and expiry date. If you have no passport, state that clearly and explain why. You will be asked to attach certified copies of all passports or identity documents, make certified translations for any documents not in English, and include the translator's full details and certification. Section: Marital Status and Family Composition. Record your current marital status and provide details for partner, spouse, and dependent children. For each family member included in the application, give full names, dates of birth, relationship to you, current location, and whether they're included in this application or a separate application. If you claim dependence or special needs, present documentation, e.g., birth certificates, marriage certificates, medical reports, proving relationships and dependency. Section: Claim grounds and humanitarian background. This part asks for the factual basis of your humanitarian or refugee claim. Describe clearly and chronologically the circumstances that led to your need for protection. Provide dates, places, names of events and reasons you cannot return to your country of origin. Where possible, attach corroborating evidence, witness statements, police or hospital reports, media reports, or letters from recognized authorities or community organizations. Be specific about threats, persecution, or harm you or your family have faced and how those risks persist. Section: Identity checks, residency, and travel history. List prior countries of residence, the dates you lived there, and any visas or residency permits previously held. This includes temporary stays, asylum claims, deportations, or removals. Honest disclosure of prior travel and residency history is essential. If you omitted something, explain it proactively and attach supporting documents where available. Section: Health and Medical Requirements. The form will ask whether you have any medical conditions or disabilities. Answer truthfully. Many humanitarian visa processes require health examinations and immunization records at a later stage. Prepare to attend an approved medical provider if requested. If you or a dependent require ongoing treatment, list current medications, treating physicians and clinical summaries or hospital records. Section: Character, Criminal History and Police Checks. You must disclose any criminal convictions or charges in any country. Provide dates, jurisdictions and outcomes. If there are no convictions, state that explicitly. Attach police clearance certificates where the form requests them, and if you cannot obtain a certificate, explain the reason and provide alternative supporting documentation. Section: Supporting Documents Checklist. The official form includes or implies a checklist of documents to attach. Typical items to include: certified copies of identity documents and passports, birth, marriage or civil partnership certificates, police or court documents, medical and psychological reports, statutory declarations or witness statements, country of origin evidence, and any proof of identity or family relationship. All foreign language documents must be accompanied by certified English translation. Where the form requests certified copies, ensure certification follows the form's instructions. For example, certified by a notary public, justice of the peace, or an accredited official with the certifier's name, signature, stamp, and date. Section: Declaration and Signature. Read the declaration carefully. The form will require your signature, date, and often the signature of a witness or certifying officer. By signing, you confirm the information is true and complete. False or misleading statements may lead to refusal or later cancellation. If the applicant is a minor or lacks capacity, the form typically requires a parent, guardian, or authorized representative to sign. Attach proof of guardianship. Practical tips for accuracy and speed: write clearly. Use block letters if completing by hand. If typed, ensure consistent fonts and page formatting. Complete every question. If a question does not apply, write "not applicable" or NA. Do not leave blanks. Attach page references. Where you attach supporting documents, mark which part of the form each document supports. For example, see Annex A, Medical Report supporting Section X, Certified Translations. Always provide certified English translations for documents not in English. Include translator contact details and certification statements. Organize attachments. Number attachments and prepare a contents list so the decision maker can follow your evidence easily. Keep copies. Retain full copies of the entire application package, including every attachment and certification, for your records. Timelines and updates. If circumstances change after lodgement, new evidence, a change of address or family additions, notify the visa processing office according to the instructions on the form. If you use a representative, if an agent or migration representative completes the form on your behalf, the form requires their contact details and assigned authority. The representative must declare any relationship with you, disclose any fees charged, and provide an address for correspondence. Ensure the representative is legitimate and registered where required. Common pitfalls to avoid: submitting uncertified photocopies for documents that must be certified, omitting prior names or travel history, providing vague or unsupported claims about persecution. Always attach concrete evidence, forgetting to sign the declaration or wrongly dating the form, sending partial applications without the mandatory identity documents. What happens after lodgement? After you lodge the form and supporting documents as instructed on the official form, the responsible visa office will assess eligibility. You may be asked for further information, medical checks, biometrics, or an interview. Processing times vary. The form provides instructions for where to lodge and how to track or respond to requests. Keep lines of communication open and respond quickly to any official requests. Closing summary. Completing Form 842 thoroughly is the first and most important step in proving your need for humanitarian protection. Use precise, factual language. Attach certified evidence for every material claim, and ensure every section is complete and signed. If in doubt about specific legal requirements, consider seeking accredited legal advice, but follow the form's own instructions closely as you prepare your lodgement. Thank you for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of official forms and application guidance. For accuracy, always check the official form and its instructions.